If you've been feeling low on energy, mentally foggy, or just not quite yourself lately, I have something you'll definitely want to hear about. I recently came across a supplement called Cosmic Core by Zodiac Mind, and honestly, it's one of the most effective and grounding formulas I've tried when it comes to restoring clarity, energy, and overall well-being. Whether you're looking to optimize your health or just get back in balance, this could be exactly what you need. What stood out to me right away was how thoughtfully it's made. Cosmic Core combines potent, natural ingredients like fulvic minerals, shilajit, and ormus, compounds known for their ability to nourish the body at a cellular level. These aren't your average vitamins, they're bioavailable, meaning your body actually absorbs and uses them. And for under $40, with no subscriptions or hidden charges, it's an incredible value. They even offer a 180-day money-back guarantee, which tells me they really believe in their product. The idea behind Zodiac Mind's Cosmic Core is simple but powerful. Give your body the trace elements and nutrients it's been missing due to modern diets and depleted soil. Within just a few days of taking it, I noticed a difference. I had more focus, more sustained energy, and even better sleep. It wasn't a jittery boost, it felt like my body was finally getting what it needed to function properly again. One thing I really appreciated was the educational content that comes with your order. They explain how each ingredient works and how to maximize the benefits. It's not just a bottle of pills, it's a full wellness experience grounded in science and ancient tradition. If you're curious or feeling stuck with your current energy levels or focus, I highly recommend giving Cosmic Core a try. You can order it online quickly, and the process is super straightforward. No gimmicks, no pressure, just a clean, potent supplement that speaks for itself. To wrap up, whether you're already into wellness or just beginning to take your health more seriously, Cosmic Core is an easy, low-risk way to start feeling better fast. Give it a try and see how it supports your body, mind, and energy from the inside out.